Hello, this is a video demo on how to use the schedule validator tool on the PenSphere.ng platform. Once you log into the PenSphere application, you're going to be redirected here where you see your home page and you can see the overview of your account. To validate a schedule, you go to the schedule validator page. This is a module of the application where you can validate your schedule and prepare it for remittance. To start the validation flow, first of all, you have to come here and upload your schedule. You click on this area here, which should open up this uploader. This uploader requires you to select your file. Once you click on select file, you can select the schedule you want to upload from your system. I'm uploading a schedule with a few errors so we can see how the errors are handled. So here you are required to select the header row. This header row is basically the row in the template. This has the header of all the columns, the employer name, the employer code, the month, year, staff ID, and so on. You click on next. Next, you have to match the columns to fit the appropriate data. Here we have employer code, which matches employer code, and the data under it also matches. The month matches, year matches. You can check the rest. If you use the template well, everything should be matched automatically. But if for some reason they are not matched automatically, you can select and match them manually. And then you click on next and confirm. After you confirm, you can see that I have a few errors in this schedule. I have 6 errors across 3 rows. This table shows the errors nicely and you can see the errors highlighted in red. This is an error, this is an error, this is another one. I'm just going to go through the errors quickly to fix them. Here the error says the error matched the employer code here to fit the one you are currently logged in as, and this is incorrect, so I'm going to correct it. Here we have this one that says the normal contribution employee cannot exceed the normal contribution employer. I'm just going to update the normal contribution employer to be higher than the normal contribution employee. Here we have this normal contribution cannot be empty. I'm going to put 20. I'm going to put 2000. Here we have this total amount. The total amount here does not match what is expected from the calculation of all these amounts here. So the system actually calculated and gave what is supposed to be there, which is 17,000. Once the errors are fixed, the rows are automatically removed. So lastly, we have this one that says this field must be a valid PFA code. 012 is not a valid PFA code, so I'm just going to put 021 here. So all these are going to be based on what you have on your side and the schedule you are uploading. So once you fix all the errors, you can just proceed to remit straight from here. The fixed schedule is going to be downloaded to your system and then you can remit straight from here. I'm going to click this now. As you can see, schedule downloaded and then I can proceed to upload and remit this schedule. Thank you.